Hello, my name's Falco. I'm on location today at the E-Walk ramp, and I'm going to teach you kind of a tough one. Switch blunt slide. There's two tricks that I think will really help you out with this. Switch blunt rock fakie and switch blunts. Once you feel super comfortable with the switch blunts, you're ready to try the switch blunt slide. I like to do a nose stall to get ready for this trick. So you drop in, do a nose stall, come back, switch. You want 1 foot here, 1 foot here. And you're gonna roll up at a big angle. Roll up into the switch blunt, slide, and pop in before you're done sliding. Boom! Roll away and be super stoked. Now you can wax it. I don't recommend waxing if you're at the park with a bunch of people because you might offend somebody. And if you do wax it, just wax where you need to and don't use a lot. Good luck, have some fun.